Hi everyone, so today we are creating this dark feminine makeup look. So as always, let's start with the primer first. Next step is foundation. I'm using a high coverage liquid foundation, applying all over my face, and then I'll just blend everything nicely. For eye makeup, I'm applying this neutral beige shade first as a base, then applying a medium brown shade on my eyelid as a transition shade. Now I'm applying a dark brown shade. Now I'm using a gel eyeliner. I think using a sellotape for that perfect wing eyeliner is the best hack. Oh my god, look at the perfect wing eyeliner without any mess. Filling my eyebrows and now applying concealer under my eyes and then blending it properly. And now I'm applying blush on my cheekbone for that lifted look. Now using a contour stick for contouring my nose and my cheeks and blending it nicely. Now using a setting powder to set my base. Applying a shimmer shade on my inner corner. For lips, I'm using a dark brown lip liner and then a nude shade lipstick. Lastly, applying the highlighter.